When you work using the desktop apps in Microsoft 365, like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, it's simple to work with others at the same time and keep your changes saved to the cloud. As you save a document for the first time, save it to the cloud in OneDrive or SharePoint. If you want, you can share it with others to start collaborating right away, or you can share it later when you're ready. No need to email copies back and forth. Autosave means your file saves automatically, so you won't lose a thing. Work with others at the same time and see changes as they're made. Add comments and app mentions to give feedback, suggestions, or invite others to collaborate. Anyone you app mention will receive an email notification with links to the comments. If you're working offline, changes you make sync to the cloud as soon as you're back online. Need to share it with more people? Select Share and send it to whoever you want. Use the latest AI-powered features to enhance your work without the need to be a pro at everything. Editor improves your writing. Designer makes professional-looking slides instantly. And Analyze Data gives you data insights you might have missed. Need to get back to recent work? Recommended for you, suggest files with recent activity that are important to you. Or search for your doc.